Welcome to New Zealand, home to 970 million pounds of apples, transported from orchards to tables worldwide. But picking an apple isn't just a simple grab and go, there's an entire process behind it. Have you ever wondered why apples are everyone's favorite? Crunchy, sweet, and packed with vitamin C, A, and potassium, they are more than just a snacks. Let's explore their journey and why they are nature's best fast food. Apple cultivation. The journey of an apple begins long before it reaches your fruit bowl. It all starts with the soil, a crucial element in apple farming. In New Zealand, the soil needs to be rich in nutrients and have the perfect pH level between 5.5 and 6.5. Everything must be just right. Growing apples isn't as simple as planting a seed and waiting for magic to happen. The soil requires careful maintenance, proper irrigation, and a lot of patience to produce apples that meet supermarket standards. Think of it as a relaxing spa, but for the soil. Green apple sparkles. Yeah, that one right there doesn't have any red on it. And once the soil is ready, young apple trees are planted in early spring when the weather is just warming up. Now, let's talk about staking the apple tree. Before or after planting, each hole must be properly prepared to give the roots enough space to spread out and thrive. No one likes cramped living conditions, especially trees. Drilling a hole for planting an apple tree is serious business. It needs to be deep enough, wide enough, and just right, like setting up a VIP suite for future apples. Once that's done, support stakes step in to keep the young tree upright and protect it from strong winds. Pruning is like giving the tree a perfect haircut, except the stylist never charges. Maintaining the tree's shape properly improves airflow and leads to healthier fruit. However, planting is just the first step. Growing a strong apple tree is a long and well-planned process. The journey of a young apple tree. A young apple tree is like a rookie, it needs support to stand tall. Natural pruning helps it focus nutrients on the best fruits. While a tree can produce thousands of apples, not all make the cut. It's the survival of the crunchiest. These little ones take their time, 3 to 5 years for the first fruit and up to 7 years to reach their prime. Patience pays off. If you enjoyed this content, hit like and subscribe for more amazing farming insights. Green apple deciduous tree. In New Zealand, farmers use the smart drip irrigation system to manage water efficiently. This high-tech method not only keeps trees hydrated but also conserves water, acting like a financial advisor for water resources. Each apple tree on the farm consumes 52.83 to 79.2 gallons of water per week in spring and summer, thanks to an automated irrigation system. Not a single drop is wasted. Every tree gets VIP hydration treatment, just like an athlete before a big game. Green apple droplet. When spring arrives, apple trees burst into pure white blossoms, turning orchards into dreamy landscapes. Over time, these delicate flowers turn into small apple clusters, each carrying the promise of the future. Day by day, apples grow bigger, sweeter, and more flavorful. A slow yet rewarding transformation unfolds as summer fades and autumn arrives. With the changing season, apples reach their peak ripeness, marking the grand finale of their seasonal journey. A skilled farmer can harvest between 800 and 1,200 apples per day, a true test of precision and coordination. Each apple is carefully selected to ensure only the finest make it to market. It's almost like being a personal trainer, but for fruit, nurturing, selecting, and delivering nature's best. Green apple, red apple. Apple harvest season is here. With 11,000 hectares of apple orchards, New Zealand produces 661,000 tons of apples annually, cementing its status as a global fruit powerhouse. Powerful modern machines are impressive, but not every apple is harvested by technology. Experienced farmers with keen eyes are the true guardians of quality. They handpick each apple, ensuring it is perfectly ripe, the right size, and the ideal shade of red. Because, let's be honest, no one wants an underripe, flavorless apple. Apples from March to May. Orchards buzz with activity as workers and machines race to gather nature's delicious bounty. Are you interested in apple picking? If so, please comment 1 and let me know in the comments. Green apple, red apple. Apple harvesting robots with a capacity ranging from 4.49 to 6,613 lbph make the harvesting process effortless while maintaining top-quality fruit. These high-tech machines operate with the precision of a gentle hand, ensuring each apple remains fresh and flawless. Equipped with modern sensors, they not only pick apples but also sort them, making the process smoother and more efficient. An average apple tree produces around 38.65 pounds of fruit per season, and thanks to these robots, entire orchards can be harvested in just a few days, maximizing efficiency and minimizing labor. The FOPS Technic Shaker is the secret weapon for fast and efficient apple harvesting. Using a gentle yet effective shaking mechanism, it quickly collects apples without damaging the tree. With this modern technology, apples are harvested smoothly while remaining in perfect condition, no bruises, no worries. Pairing the shaker with the SFM Samurai, the self-propelled apple harvester takes efficiency to the next level. This powerful machine boosts productivity, reduces losses, and processes over 100 tons of apples per day. It's like having an army of pickers, but faster and smarter. With built-in sensors, the harvester can automatically locate and classify apples right in the orchard, ensuring that only the finest quality fruit is collected. The result? Better flavor, higher quality, and a seamless harvesting experience. For large-scale apple orchards, the MAA Shaker is the industry's classic choice. Using gentle vibrations, it harvests apples without damaging the trees or the fruit. This eco-friendly solution optimizes production while keeping apples in perfect condition. It's proof that technology and nature can work together in harmony to achieve perfection. After being harvested, apples are transported to the processing plant and go through a carefully designed process to preserve their freshness and delightful flavor. The first stop is the processing facility, where the journey from orchard to table truly begins. At the cider factory, the sanitation process kicks off with a hot chlorine water soak. Think of it as a spa day for apples. Then they ride a roller conveyor, ensuring perfect spacing for inspect, but not just a quick glance. Advanced scanners can process up to 10,000 apples per hour, analyzing size, color, and even the tiniest defects. Not a single bad apple goes unnoticed. After packaging, apples are stored at precisely controlled temperatures between 0 to 1 degree Celsius. This keeps them crisp and fresh until they reach your hands. Have you ever wondered what makes pure apple juice taste so amazing? Modern processing preserves every bit of natural flavor, delivering an experience you never knew you needed. Beyond juice, apples take center stage in cider making. First, they are pressed for fresh juice. Then, fermentation kicks in either naturally or with special yeast, turning sugars into alcohol with fiber-packed benefits. Aiding digestion, preventing constipation, and keeping you feeling full. Who knew an apple could be this powerful? After aging, the cider is filtered, bottled, and ready to sip. It's the perfect blend of science and craftsmanship, proving that apples are more than just a simple snack. Speaking of power, let's talk about some incredible apple growing equipment. The Happy Plant Systems mechanical weeder is a true hero in vineyards and orchards. With precision blades, it quickly clears weeds, covering 5 acres per hour without harming crops. No chemicals, no stress, just productive, healthy plants. Plants. Meanwhile, I am the apple orchard's best friend, using high-pressure compressed air to remove up to 95% of excess leaves, allowing apples to receive more sunlight for better ripening. Weeding up to 10 acres per day, this weeder is fast, efficient, and helps the orchard thrive. Can you believe it? Andreoli Engineering. The EcoVac operates at a speed of 10 to 12 km per hour with precise spraying. It saves an additional 30% on pesticides while still protecting the plants. Fast, efficient, and environmentally friendly. What do you think about this machine? Let me know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Tractor Seedling.